What's up guys, Alex O here with Keller Williams, and today I'm at a new construction site with all these beautiful homes. Right now they have 4 homes left listed at $360. These are 3-bed, 3.5 bath homes, new construction. Let's go ahead and go inside and take a peek. Alrighty. Alright guys, so right here we have the entryway that leads to the home. On our right we have our spacious 2-car garage. Right here is the half bathroom. Okay. And this leads into the main living area, everyone. So as you can see, we've got 10-foot high ceilings, quartz countertops, vinyl wood-like flooring. Here's the pantry. Let's get in here, nice and deep. Stainless steel appliances. Lots of natural light coming in here. And right now, this builder is having some incentives for y'all. They just cut down the price from $400 to about $360, and it looks like their buyer incentives are $15,000 that can be applied to any of these. You can also mix and match. Rate buy down, closing costs, appliance package, upgrades, and blind and ceiling fans right there. Okay. They only have 4 left. So we're currently in the model home right now. We have 1, 2, 3, and 1 back here, 4 homes on the market for this neighborhood. HOA is $1,700 annually. That includes water, sewer, trash, common area, and gate maintenance. And we have low property taxes, 2.11 before homestead exemption. So get that homestead exemption here in Texas, pay lower taxes, all right? And like I said, this is a 3-bed, 3.5 bath home, about 1,800 square feet, built in 2024. Let's head up on stairs. All the bedrooms are gonna be upstairs. And what I like about this place is that all the bedrooms have their own restrooms. I gotta fix my camera here. Oh, that doesn't work. Here you go. All right, so right there is the primary bedroom. And then down this hall are gonna be the 2 other bedrooms here, okay? Right here, washer and dryer, so super easy access. Go ahead and close that. Gotta head on to the primary bedroom here. Fix this camera. Here's the primary bedroom. Nice and spacious. Very deep walk-in closet right here, guys. Just gonna walk in here. Look how deep this is. I'm gonna walk all the way in, turn around. Nice and spacious. We have a soaking tub right here, pretty large walk-in shower, and dual vanity quartz countertops, modern finishes. Here's the soaking tub. And let's take a look here. Look at all the space that we have. Okay. Nice tall ceilings. And tucked away here is the toilet. All right. Now, let's take a look at the other 2 bedrooms. So, first bedroom is going to be right here. And like I said, every bedroom here has its own bathroom. Closet. And then here's our final bedroom right here. What I like about this one is that it actually has higher ceilings than the other guest bedroom. Lots of natural light coming in. Own bathroom. All right, everyone, that's it for today's video. This home is located in the Springbranch area of Houston, and it's listed just below $360,000, and the builder is offering $15,000 in incentives. If any of you guys are interested in purchasing this home, please feel free to reach out to me, and we can get your home buying process started. Thanks again, guys, and have a wonderful day.